Here, meerkats feed on grubs and bugs hidden underground for up to 8 hours a day. But with their heads buried in the sand, they're blind to danger. To keep safe, they rely on friends in high places. A fork-tailed drongo. From her vantage point, she can spot danger a mile off. A tawny eagle, a meerkat's worst nightmare. The drongo sounds the alarm. A meerkat call confirms the danger. Some friends you simply can't live without. But she's not as selfless as it seems. There's something in it for her. A juicy grub